If you want to enable the fingerprint for app lock on OPPO Find X9, then in that case we can go to settings. Over here in settings, we're gonna go to the security and privacy and scroll down in order to find the app lock option. Now over here we're gonna enter our privacy password in order to proceed. And then in here we can tap on these three dots in the upper right corner and choose set now. Then we have the privacy password option. Let's enter the privacy password again. And now we have other unlock methods, which of course we can also include fingerprint for that. So in here we can select fingerprint, and then we have three choices: data protection, app lock, and hide apps. Since we care about app lock in this specific case, then of course we can enable it for app lock in here. So now if I try to unlock an app, if I try to use an app that has the privacy password set up, then of course I can just use the fingerprint sensor instead, if it's of course scanned. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like, and subscribe.